Hello again, everybody. This is Lano again from Modern Home Systems Rancho Santa Fe, bringing you another tech tip: AirPlay to Apple TV. Alright everybody, I'm going to show you how to do AirPlay from your iOS device or your Mac computer up to your Apple TV. The first step in doing this is, of course, if you have things like Netflix on your Apple TV and such, just like in this view here. You can see my Apple TV layout looks like this. Has all your movies up here from your movie store and so on. You'll know if you're signed into your actual Wi-Fi network by going into settings. What we're going to do is go to General, go to Network, and I have mine. Funny enough, it's named FBI Surveillance Van. So if anybody trying to steal my Wi-Fi in the area, maybe they'll get deterred by seeing FBI Surveillance Van. Okay, so this right here is actually the same Wi-Fi that I have listed on my computer and also on my phone as well. As you can see here, I'm going to go into this, and this is FBI Surveillance Van on the screen there. I'm going to go back to the Apple TV now, and now you can see they're both on the same Wi-Fi network. That is the first step in doing this. Now, whenever you're on the main screen where you can see everything here on the screen, then you can now go to your AirPlay feature. And to do that, we're going to go down here to the bottom plastic and slide up. Right here you'll see AirPlay. In this case, you're not going to see it AirPlay because I'm already mirroring the actual screen on my phone to my MacBook screen here. But it would say AirPlay as long as you're on the same Wi-Fi network as the Apple TV. In this case, I'm already mirroring using a program called Reflector, which is a really cool program if you want to see everything that's going on your phone. I'm doing this with my hand on my phone, and it's reflecting it on the screen here. So what we're going to do, again, slide up. We're going to select right here. You can see we have some other options of AirPlay devices. I have an Airport Express, which I have a wireless speaker hooked up to, so I can wirelessly send music to that. What we're going to do in this case is we're going to select Apple TV, and then on the Apple TV you'll actually see my phone come up on the screen. So what we're going to do is select Apple TV, and you'll see Apple TV will come up on the screen. There we go. Now you can hit done here, slide this away, and there you go. You see my phone up on the television screen. Really cool feature. And again, whatever I do here will show up on the screen as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to boot myself out of that, and I'm going to come back onto the normal screen here. So now what I want to do is I want to send whatever's on my screen here to the Apple TV as well. So in this case, we're going to go up to here to this symbol. Again, I'm on the same Wi-Fi network as the Apple TV, and I'm going to select the AirPlay symbol, which is a triangle with a rectangle. That's your AirPlay symbol. So we're going to select that, and look at the options here. I can select Lano's Apple TV. So I'm going to select this, switch from that to the television screen here. And now you can see I have my computer screen on the television. So it'll do both devices. It will do the iPad as well, and a lot of the fourth generation iPods, and up to the most recent ones. And again, what we'll do to go back up and undo this is select our AirPlay and hit disconnect AirPlay. And there it goes right back to our Apple TV screen. Very simple, cool thing to do with your phone. A lot of people had these Apple TVs for so long and not know that this is a feature that they had on there. All right, this is something, if you come to our weekend workshops on Saturday, we actually go through every time to refresh people on how to do this. A lot of times this gets people to buy an Apple TV because they didn't know it did this before. So hopefully you guys put this to use and have a lot of fun with it. All right, see you around.
And for any more information, feel free to contact us here at the Rancho Santa Fe location, and we'll be glad to help.